What's up, YouTube? Click on this video. You're probably a beginner who wants to grow your back. Well, today in this video, I got you a quick and easy back workout that'll grow your lats very fast. We're going to want to start by warming up with a 30-second dead hang. This is pretty much going to get your shoulders loose and your lats stretched. Next up, we got 10 scapular shrugs. It's basically pulling the muscles in your back up and down. Next, we got a 10-second skin to cat, and that is on warm up. Moving on to the workout, we're going to start with 5 normal pull-ups. Pull-ups are amazing for targeting your lats. Then we have 5 chin-ups. They're a little bit easier than the pull-ups, but I say they target the biceps more. Then we have wide pull-ups. We have 4 of those. Wide pull-ups are gonna target more of your upper back and your outer lats, which is gonna give you that V-taper look I know y'all want. Now for our final pull variation, we have those grip pull-ups. You're going to feel a lot of strain on your forearms and a little bit more activation on your biceps. Finally, we're going to end off this pull workout with some core work, 10 hanging knee raises. That was a quick and easy beginner pull workout anybody can do to grow their biceps. Subscribe for more. Hey, that's pretty much it. Peace out.
Subscribe to T-Main!